welcome back. So today I'm doing another tutorial showing how to remove lash extensions using Vaseline. While conducting my YouTube research on how to remove these extensions, a lot of people are using coconut oil, and if you're anything like me, I'm allergic to coconut oil. Some ways to tell if you have allergy to coconut oil include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, hives, eczema. So the first time I tried it in my hair. My hair didn't react to that. The second time I tried it, I used it in baking and actually threw up. So I just said, you know what? I don't even want a chance putting this thing on my eyes because I don't want my face to break out or anything like that. So I just saturated my lashes in Vaseline using this Q-tip.
The key to doing this at home and on a budget is to slather and lather your lash, okay? And whatever you decide to use, whether it's oil or Vaseline. You're about to see right here my lash come off with me applying pressure with the Q-tip. However, let me put you guys on to a little game, okay? So this video originally took me 30 minutes to record. So I feel like that is only because I didn't put myself on in the beginning like how I should have. So towards the end of this video, you will see me drop that Q-tip and just actually start using my fingertips to squeeze and rub together my natural lash and the lash extension. Now, if you have extensions, you would know what I'm talking about. If you don't, just try to use your imagination. So for those who have extensions, you know how your lash tech is not supposed to apply these lashes directly on your lash line. They're supposed to be a millimeter away from your lash line. So you'll be able to feel where the tip of that lash extension is connected to your actual eyelash. So what I mean by squeeze and rub together, you're going to squeeze and rub together at the tip of that lash extension in order to separate the two. This process, in no shape, type, form, nothing is supposed to hurt. If it's starting to hurt or you feel a little bit of pain, then that means you're probably pulling too hard, okay? I didn't have any pain doing this. You just want to make sure that you have enough Vaseline so that you're not straining your natural lashes. For those people who are really concerned about losing their eyelashes, your eyelashes are supposed to fall off. You don't just keep the same set of eyelashes your whole life. Statistically, about 1 to 4 eyelashes fall off per day. So if you're being realistic, you lose your eyelashes quite often. It isn't something that isn't going to grow back because eyelashes are used as a barrier to protect your eye. If you do this and if you happen to find yourself losing quite a few lashes or a lash or two, just keep in mind that eyelashes typically take 1 full month to grow back completely. So for 4 weeks, it looks like you might need to actually rub some black castor oil and some Vaseline on your eyelashes every night before you go to bed so you can help the process with your lashes growing back stronger, healthier, and quicker. So here are all my lashes from this whole process right here. I'm now going to wash all that Vaseline off my face. I'm going to be using my cotton rounds and some witch hazel. That's what I usually use to clean my face. Guys, take a close look at my eyes. Look at my lashes still there. So naturally, I don't have a lot of eyelashes. They're curly anyway, so it's not really noticeable, but if you look closely, look at me looking down, you see that my lashes are still there. Guys, that is it for this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you have anything to say, or if you want to see anything in particular, or if you have any questions. And be on the lookout for my black rice water journey that I'm going to be dropping in a week. Thank you guys.